Hi guys, welcome to Buttons Buttercup. Today we're going to be doing some slime. First, I hit myself with the face. This is I just got home from school look. I am in 8th grade. Yeah. And I have slime number 1 here, it's butter slime. And then slime number 2 is a Dollar Tree slime, which that actually feels cold, nice, and it's really hot outside today, so this is gonna be really nice. Don't put the top in. Okay, so this is butter slime that my friend made, and then this just jiggly slime. So we're gonna actually use Dollar Tree slime for once. I've never played with Dollar Tree slime, so this is the first for me. If you have, comment down below what color slime it was, the first one you've ever got. But first, we're going to be doing a subscribe challenge. So I want y'all to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and give a like in 6 seconds with your nose. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you were able to do it in that time, say done in the comments and I might send you something. And if you want a free pet in Adopt Me on Roblox, you're gonna have to say I subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, and you're gonna have to say done and did all those 3 things, and then you're gonna have to tell me your username, and I'll join you in a private server and Adopt Me. But well, it doesn't have to be a private server and Adopt Me. I'm gonna look up your name, friend you, and then I'm gonna give you a free pet and Adopt Me. And if you don't play Adopt Me as much, I can give you some Robux or some Adopt Me money. Really doesn't matter. Or you can get a free chance to play Brookhaven or something like that with me. And then you're gonna have to comments, put this color heart going. So now we're going to move on to the slime. Ow. I have slime in my mouth, seriously? Got it. Okay guys, let's see the satisfyingness of it coming out of the can. That was not really satisfying. It is cold and it's hot outside today. And it's really actually pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can do a swirl with it. most likely not going to be able to, because usually you can't with jiggly slime, especially the normal colored jigglies. You can't do it really well, but you can do it. Oh, and you guys, if you're hot outside and you have a cold slime, put it on your wrist, both of them, and you'll be cooled down a little bit. It's really nice. Or you can run your wrist under cold water. So, if you make slime videos on YouTube, like Slimatory, or you just fix slime and make slime on YouTube without showing your face or something like that, then you should buy Dollar Tree slime that's jiggly and attempt to fix it, like Slimatory. I think you can put Magic Play in this and definitely fix this. Because I watch your videos. Jenna, you do really good, but stop cheating. If you watch them, before you watch this video, watch the rest of this video, go to their channel, Slimatory, subscribe, like, and turn on their post notifications. I'm just helping them build. I'm still here on YouTube to make people happy and to do what I love. But sorry, there was a hornet, and I don't like getting stung by hornets, and I'm not wearing yellow today, but still, I have green slime in my hands, and they're attracted to anything green or yellow. Well, first of all, this slime is very rippy, and it's not stretchy at all, and if you were to like try to smush it together like that, watch. It does work a little bit, but if you don't smack it hard, just put it in the container and go like that, when you go to pick it back up, look, see that? See that? Watch. Oh. It will stick for a few seconds, but then it comes back. But the thing is, it is Dollar Tree slime. I don't expect it to be so good. But at least we got some slime that's actually slime. You can't make big bubbles with this, but I'm going to attempt to make one. Probably not going to make one, but on the bright side, it is really, if you really wanted me to send you a slime of some sort, I will, but I have to get the supplies to make it. Here's the thing, I don't really like buying stuff, but still, we have, why did I do that? We still have good Dollar Tree slime here. If you really like Dollar Tree slime, comment down below. Try to fix a Dollar Tree slime. It's probably not going to turn out well if you do that, but it's going to have to be worth it, because if you have been a YouTuber longer than me and know stuff about it, send me some like videos or something about how to fix slime. My camera. Oh, you guys, that didn't stick to my shirt. Look. So if y'all to play with some slime from Dollar Tree. I'm going to change subject. If you really like slime, get slime from the Dollar Tree. It does not stick in your hair instant. And then on your shirt. So if you really like slime, you should get Dollar Tree slime. Good quality, not stretchy, just rippy. If you have a Dollar Tree slime you would like me to fix, send it to me. And I'll just easily fix it. Well, not send it to me, but you know, like, I'll send one to you. Like, I'll buy one and send one to you. But here's the thing. You're going to have to get green, because it's the only one the Dollar Tree around here carries. And it's so good. So it's like, But I'll update you with part 2 with the butter slime.